In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history in ElevenLabs. Before we dive into the technical steps, I want to mention that if you're new to ElevenLabs and considering signing up, please use our affiliate link found in the description. It's a great way to support our channel and costs you nothing extra. Now, let's get into the process of managing and deleting your history within ElevenLabs. To get started, make sure you're logged into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a panel filled with different settings. This is where the magic happens. Within this panel, you will see a tab labeled History. Go ahead and click on the History tab. This section is crucial as it stores all the audio you've previously generated using ElevenLabs. It's a useful feature for keeping track of your projects, but there might come a time when you'll want to clear this out. Once you're in the History section, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You will spot a button labeled Manage History. Click on that button. This will bring up a list of all the audio files you've generated, giving you a comprehensive overview of your history. If you have specific recordings you want to delete, you can take your time to review this list. Each entry will have a checkbox right next to it. This setup allows you to select individual files, making it easy to choose which ones to keep and which ones to delete. If you've decided that you want to clear out everything, perhaps for a fresh start or to declutter, ElevenLabs offers a convenient option. Rather than selecting each file individually, simply use the Select All option. As the name suggests, this will automatically check the boxes for all the entries in your history. This feature is a time saver and is perfect for those looking to delete their entire history in one swift action. Once you have selected the desired audio files, whether that's a few specific ones or all of them, look for the Delete button. Clicking Delete will remove the selected files from your history, streamlining your workspace. And just like that, your history is cleared, making your ElevenLabs account feel much more organized and clutter-free. That's the whole process in just a few easy steps. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on using ElevenLabs. Don't forget about the affiliate link if you're new and want to sign up. Have a great day navigating your creative projects with ElevenLabs.